Guys, welcome back to my channel. To all my old subscribers and new subscribers, you're all welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make this lovely hair mask. So sit tight and watch this video to the end, and don't forget to subscribe, like this video and share. And without wasting time, let's get straight into this video.
What do I have to say to keep you by my side? How to start in a liquefy. Need you here to tell me that I'll be okay. Married one, loving two, and now it's 3 a.m. Thinking what if it's you and me? At the end, that maybe we'll be okay. I know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I know that you're coming back home. Having my own conversations, hoping you will come and save me. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I hope that you're coming back home. Look at you, eyes as soft as that ocean blue. Falling in, learn to swim like I never knew. I see it now, that everything will be okay. With no small doses, smell of roses. Can't get enough of you. Can't wait to love on you. I know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I know that you're coming back home. Having my own conversations, hoping you will come and save me. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I hope that you're coming back home. I know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home in the morning. I know that you're coming back home.
So guys, I don't know why I'm looking white right now, but I am currently done with washing my hair. I am so tired. I've been washing my hair for like 3 to 4 hours now because I had to apply something and leave it for 30 minutes or 1 hour and wash it out and apply the next one. So I'm going to let my hair air dry and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning.